If something's an accident and you're trying to express that in Spanish, words like accidente do exist, but they're often used in the context of something a little bit more serious, like a car accident, for example, un accidente de auto. If you're just trying to express that something was simply an accident, a great way to express this, one of the best ways in Spanish, is to say fue sin querer. Welcome to another episode of Spanish in 5 minutes or less, where I explain a word or expression that'll help you express yourself more naturally in Spanish. Fue sin querer. That literally means was without wanting. That's because the way that we use the word mean in English, as in I didn't mean to, that doesn't have a literal word for word translation in Spanish. So instead, that same concept is expressed by saying that you didn't want to do something. It wasn't intentional. Fue sin querer. The nice thing about this expression is that you don't have to conjugate anything. It can apply to yourself. If you drop somebody's plate and you spill their dinner everywhere, you can say fue sin querer. Or if somebody else did the same thing and you're making an excuse for them, you can say fue sin querer. She didn't mean to, fue sin querer. This phrase is useful even if it wasn't something bad at all that happened, if it was just something accidental in general. So say you accidentally deleted someone's number and you need them to send it to you again. You might say, sin querer borré tu número. Me lo mandas de nuevo. I accidentally deleted your number. Will you send it to me again? On the other hand, what if something was on purpose and you want to express that? For that, we use a propósito. A propósito. Say I have people over and I'm making dinner for them. I put way too much garlic on the pizza. I want to say, well, I did it on purpose. I love garlic. So in Spanish, you can say, lo hice a propósito. Lo hice a propósito porque me encanta el ajo. I did it on purpose because I love garlic. All right, now I want you to put this to practice. Write in the comments something that you did on accident, sin querer, and something that you did on purpose, a propósito. It's okay if you don't get the conjugations right or any other grammar stuff. The point is to practice these expressions and practice expressing that something was on accident or that it was on purpose. That's it for today. If you liked this video and you want more practical tips on how to improve your natural conversational Spanish faster, you can subscribe. I'm putting out videos just like this one every week. Thanks for watching.